Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program. Friends, in this video we would be discussing 100 one-liner current affairs from the period of 1st of July till 15th of July 2020. Let's begin with our first pointer. Which Indian company has made Corona's vaccine by the name of Covaxin, whose human test was approved by the Drug Controller General of India? So the name of the company is Bharat Biotech India. How long has the central government extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana? This Yojana has been extended till November 2020. Name the current Attorney General of India who has recently been given 1-year extension. So the name of the current Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal. Which state has recently launched the world's largest convalescent plasma therapy project named Project Platina? Maharashtra. Which state has developed India's first lichen park? It has been developed by Uttarakhand. Name the 600 megawatt hydroelectric project signed between India and Bhutan. Kolongchu. When is the International Asteroid Day celebrated? On 30th of June. Geeta Nagabhushan, who passed away on 28th of June, was the famous writer and literature of which language? Kannada. When is the International Parliamentary Day celebrated? 30th of June. Who has been given the additional charge of the Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Anandiben Patel. Who has been appointed as the new President of Malawi, South Africa? Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera. Ministry of Railways has sought applications from private companies for running more than 150 private trains on how many railroads? 109. Which app was launched by Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on 30th of June to make sports job-free? Nada app. Which helicopter was used by Indian Air Force to deal with locust? Mi-17. When is the National Doctors' Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 1st of July. Which former Governor of the Reserve Bank of India received the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis Award? Chakravarti Rangarajan. When is the National Chartered Accountant Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 1st of July. When was the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India established? It was established on 1st of July 1949. When is the World UFO Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 2nd of July. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indian Institute of Mass Communication? Professor Sanjay Dwivedi. The airlines of which country has been banned from flying in Europe for a period of 6 months? Pakistan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the soldiers on 3rd of July at which military base in Ladakh? Nemo. Who has been appointed as India's permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations based in Geneva, Switzerland? Indramani Pandey. Which state has recently banned the sale and consumption of dog meat? Nagaland. In which country people approved a constitutional amendment by a referendum through which Vladimir Putin will be the president until 2036, that is for the next 2 terms? Russia. Amidst Indo-China tension, the central government has approved how many crores of rupees for related purchases in the meeting of Defence Acquisition Council? 38,900 crores. Edouard Philippe, the Prime Minister of which country, resigned from his post on 3rd of July due to criticism amidst Corona crisis? France. Who is the author of the book Future of Higher Education, 9 Mega Trends which was released online by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu recently. CA V. Pattabhiram. Which union territory has formed the Anti-Narcotics Task Force to end drug trade? Jammu and Kashmir. When is the World Sports Journalists Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 2nd of July. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of CBFC, which is Central Board of Film Certification? Ravinder Bhakur. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation IOC? Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Which social site has removed words like master, slave and blacklist for eliminating linguistic racism? Twitter. Upa Rokamlova, who passed away on 1st of July, was the former Speaker of which state legislative assembly? Mizoram. Which city is proposed to own the world's third largest cricket stadium? Rajasthan Cricket Association Stadium, Jaipur. Name the world's first and second largest stadiums. Motera Cricket Stadium, Ahmedabad and Melbourne Stadium, Australia. Amidst Indo-China dispute, Indian company Hero Cycle has cancelled the trade agreement of how many crores with China? 900 crores. What is the name of largest moon of Mars that was photographed by Mangalyaan launched by ISRO on 1st of July 2020? Phobos. Who is the chairman of National Highways Authority of India, whose tenure has been extended for 6 months? Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. When was the International Day of Cooperatives 2020 celebrated? It was celebrated on 4th of July. Drug Discovery Hackathon project was developed by which ministry to develop anti-COVID drug? Ministry of Science and Technology and Human Resource Development. After removing the word fair from Fair and Lovely, which other company has now decided to remove the word whitening from its product? The name of the company is L'Oreal. How many million-dollar projects have been signed by the Government of India with the World Bank to help low-income people in Tamil Nadu for Tamil Nadu Housing Sector Program and Tamil Nadu Housing and Habitat Development Project? $250 million. Which state government has issued orders to stop the increment of employees and officers for not using Marathi language? Maharashtra. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has announced how much investment in India in the next 5 to 7 years? $10 billion or 75,000 crore rupees. The Supreme Court has recently ordered the main management committee of the Padmanabha Swami Temple to maintain the role of the royal family of Travancore. In which state is this temple located? It is located in Kerala. Which country became India's largest trading partner in financial year 2019-20? America. According to the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry, how many billion US dollars bilateral trade has been achieved between India and the US in 2019-20? 88.75. According to the data released by the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry, which country was India's largest trading partner from 2013 to 2018? China. What was India's trade deficit with China in the year 2018-19 and 19-20 respectively? So, in the year 2018-19 it was $53.56 billion and in 2019-20 it is $48.66 billion. According to the United Kingdom's Department of International Trade, which country remained the second largest source of FDI in Britain in the year 2019-20? India. According to the International Chess Federation, who became India's 66th chess grandmaster? G. Akash. Who was elected as the Prime Minister of Singapore for the fourth time? Lee Hsien Loong. Who won the election of the President of Poland? Andrzej Duda. Which day is celebrated as Malala Day by the United Nations? 12th of July. How long has the Asia Cup 2020 been postponed by the Asian Cricket Council ACC due to COVID-19? So it has been postponed till June 2021. How many crore rupees have been invested by Qualcomm Ventures company to get 0.15% stake in the Jio platforms? 730 crores. Which state organized the first E-Lok Adalat of India? So it was organized in the state of Chhattisgarh. Which is the first state to use space technology and artificial intelligence to monitor government land? Odisha. Which state government has launched the Pure for Sure campaign to ensure the purity of milk and dairy products? It has been launched by Rajasthan. Which American aviation company has completed delivery of Apache and Chinook military helicopters in the Indian Air Force? Boeing. Who won the Best Documentary Award during Dada Sahab Phalke Film Festival 2020? Chilupu. Which record is included in the survey conducted on tigers in India in 2018? Guinness Book of World Records. When is the World Population Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 11th of July. The Uttar Pradesh Cabinet has recently approved which policy under which 100 incubators will be set up in the state? UP Startup Policy 2020. By what name has Google relaunched the social media app Google+? It has been relaunched by the name of Google Currents. According to the RBI data, which state is at the top in terms of borrowing from the market in the year 2020-21? Tamil Nadu tops this list. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? It has received the European 2020 US Green Building Council Leadership Award. It is located in Lausanne, Switzerland. Which state has made e-registration mandatory before coming from the National Capital Region? Punjab. Which state did former Health Minister Suresh Amonkar belong from, who died on 7th of July 2020 due to corona? He belonged from Goa. After the resignation of Hockey India President Mohammad Mushtaq Ahmed, who has been appointed as the acting president. So the name of the acting president is Gyanendra Nigombam. Where is Asia's largest solar plant located that was recently inaugurated by the Prime Minister? It's located in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Name the countries of South Asia those have been declared as measles and rubella free by WHO recently. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Indian Army has recently instructed its soldiers to remove how many apps including Facebook and TikTok? 89 apps. The Union Cabinet recently approved a capital investment of Rs 12,450 crore for which public sector general insurance company? United India Insurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited and National Insurance Company Limited. The Central Cabinet has approved how many crore Agri-Infra Fund for the development of agricultural infrastructure? 1 lakh crore rupees. Which Himalayan butterfly has been distinguished as the India's largest butterfly? So the name of the India's largest butterfly is golden birdwing. What is India's rank among the countries as per the biennial Global Real Estate Transparency Index GRETI 2020 issued by Jones Lang LaSalle JLL? 34th. Name the countries which are ranked first, second and third respectively, in Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020. Britain, America, Australia. The Government of Haryana has approved the draft of the ordinance that includes the provision of how much percentage reservation for its residents by the private companies which offer a salary of less than 50,000. 75%. When was the first international cricket match between England and West Indies played due to Corona crisis? 8th of July 2020. The first international cricket match between England and West Indies was played at which stadium? It was played at the Rose Bowl Stadium, Southampton, England. The Bollywood veteran comedian Jagdeep, who passed away on 8th of July 2020, was famous by which name among the audience? Surma Bhopali. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the UK-India Business Council? Jayant Krishna. Which state government has prohibited organizing of Feast for Dead? Rajasthan. The new building of which institute in Jharkhand has been named after Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee? Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI. Coronavirus spreads by air and infects people, that is, it is airborne. 239 scientists of how many countries have claimed this to date? WHO. 32 countries. Which company has developed Zycov-D, India's second vaccine for coronavirus, that has been given approval by Drug Controller General of India for human testing? Zydus Cadila. Which is the first corona vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech Company in India, for which Drug Controller General of India allowed human trials? Covaxin. What is the name of the leading vaccine in the list of corona vaccine developed by a Swedish company, AstraZeneca, and Oxford University jointly? The name of this vaccine is Chadox-1. What is India's current position after superseding Russia in the cases of COVID-19 infection? Third. The Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has launched an Indian social media app of the art of living recently. The name of this app is Elements. How much loan has been approved by the World Bank to India for the MSME sector of India in the month of July 2020? $750 million or rupees 5,625 crores. Which state government has launched Balram Yojana to give crop loans to its farmers? Odisha. 2 times Olympic gold medalist Chinese player Lin Dan, after a career of 20 years, bid goodbye to which game? Badminton. Which company has announced to launch its first 5G telecom service in India? Jio. Who has been appointed as the new Vice President of the Asian Development Bank? Ashok Lavasa, who is the current Election Commissioner of India. Which Indian has been awarded the prestigious Global Humanitarian Award in London? Sachin Awasthi. Who has been appointed as the new High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh? Vikram Duraiswamy. Who has been appointed as the new Ambassador of India to Afghanistan? Rudrendra Tandon. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.